welcome to my CVS haul, you guys. I am so excited. I was so excited to go shopping today because I had so many coupons to use, so many CRTs, and I was just excited. And then I get to the register and nothing but problems. But it all ended up becoming good, so I'm going to share with you guys everything that I got. So, the first deal I wanted to do is I had to get 4 rebates to finish the Weekend Warrior. Well, I was told that you could buy gift cards. You could buy gift cards to get your bonuses. And so I did. I bought 1 gift card and I used my balance and nothing happened. Restarted the app, nothing. Restarted the app, nothing. Then I ended up buying a gift card without my balance. I just kind of charged my credit card and still nothing happened. I'm like, okay, I guess I still need 4 rebates because I took a half an hour just trying to figure out what is the item I could get. So I actually have a Keurig machine, so I ended up getting the Javelia coffee pods. Now these were $10.99. I had a 3 off of 10 coffee, so I ended up getting that, paid $7.99, and then there's a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this $5.99. So this was a deal that I did not want to do, but I just wanted to finish my last Ibotta bonus. It was just like sitting right there. And so I did it anyways, but then when I got home I found out that I did get my rebates. So anyways, but here is a great deal that I got. Oh, I didn't know this had a gouge in it. But anyways, I saw these Gushers on sale at my store for $1.99. My kids love Gushers. We like snacking on them. So I just got these because these are the cheapest I have seen them. Like, they're cheaper than the grocery stores. So I'm like, I just got what they had just for $2. I just got those because I saw them and wanted them. Okay, let me share with you guys this awesome deal. So I had I got the L'Oreal Age Perfect. Now this was $26.49. And then I got the L'Oreal Ideal Clean. This is the stuff I use in the shower to wash my face. So this was $26.49 and this was $4.99. Now I had 2 $5 off Age Perfect CRTs. So I ended up using those 2 $5 off. But then I also had a 6 off of 24 CRT, and I had a 40% L'Oreal facial stuff. So I texted both Gina and Llewellyn asking if I could use all 4 of those CRTs in one transaction, and they said yes. When you do the percentage CRTs, you cannot pay with extra care bucks because it lowers your product out of pocket. So I actually just paid $9.28 for the both of these, and I got $10 back. So these came out to be a 72-cent moneymaker. So this was a great deal. So I had that 40% really helped me out with that. So I got that, and like I said, I did not pay with extra care bucks because it would have lowered my pocket. Basically, I would have wasted extra care bucks. Like, there's no point. So, and funny thing is, I only had $12 of extra care bucks today when I started. 12. I used to have like 60 at a time, and now I had 12. And I'll explain what happened later on. So I got the Glucena mini treats. These were $5.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we have. Some expire today, otherwise there is another ones that don't expire today. But anyways, you'd pay $5.98. You buy the 2, you get a $5 extra care buck, making these just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Great deal. Now, I had an Edge $2 off CRT. $2 off CRT. It did not print, so I sent it to my card. It would not work for any of the items that I scanned. I did mention something, and I'll get to that point again later in the video. But anyways, so this was $3.69. I wanted to use that $2 off CRT, and then you'd pay $1.69, and then there's a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 69 cents. So there's that. But I ended up also doing the Chic Intuition deal. These were $14.49, and then I got the Bulldog razors for $11.99, and then I had the Chic Edge. I had a $4 off Chic razor digital coupon. I had 2 $5 off Bulldog razor CRT, so that's 10 bucks, and then I had a 5 off of 20 shave. So for these 3 items, I should have paid $6.37, but with that $2 off not coming off, it came to $8.37. But then I got that $10 extra care buck back for spending $25. So it either became a $2.63 moneymaker or a $4.63 moneymaker. So that was a great deal. And I'll get to all those points when I get to the very end, because yeah, it's what I'm gonna say. So I did the Colgate deal. Now these were $4.49. I got two toothbrushes and 2 mouthwash. I each used a $1 off coupon. And then the Colgate toothpaste was 2 for $7.98. And then there is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, making these $4.98. But I had a 4, no, what did I have? Was it a 4 or a 5? I had a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT. So I bought these 6 items and paid $13.94 with those coupons. You get $5 for every 2 that you buy of the Colgate toothpaste, toothbrushes, or mouthwash. I got $10 for those 4 items. And then I also got $4 back for buying the Colgate toothpaste. So all 6 items come out to be a 6-cent moneymaker. I was pretty excited for that. Okay, and then like I said, I needed to get a Ibotta rebate, so I got this. This was $1.39. I thought it was on sale, but it was not, and it's like I'm still gonna get it, but $1.39, and then you get that 75-cent rebate. I totally forgot to do the math for this. That's nice. Totally forgot to do the math. I was doing all the math for everything else, but it comes out to be like, I don't even know, 60 something cents. So got that. Okay, last bag. And this is where the tricky part happens. So I was gonna do the Crest toothpaste all in the same transaction as the Colgate, but I was having problems with the shampoo and a CRT that I was using. So if you guys do it this way, so we got the Colgate toothpaste, the charcoal and the gum restore. These were $6.99 on sale. I had 2 $3 off digital coupons, and then the regular Crest toothpaste was 2 for $6. I did not have any digitals. I didn't have any. But I did have a 5 off of 20 Crest CRT that I used. Paid $8.98. But my 2 $3 off coupons did not come off because I was having problems. So he ended up giving me extra care bucks, and I will explain all that at the end. But anyways, if you guys do this deal, you'd pay $8.98. But then you get $4 back with an extra care buck when you purchase 2 of the $6.99 ones. And then you also get $5 back when you buy the 2 for 6. Why did I write 2 for 6? Anyways, but you get 50 cents back for the charcoal. I got a 50-cent Ibotta rebate. So these came out to be a 52-cent moneymaker. So I made a profit off of that. So that was one problem that I was having, was the digitals were not coming off because I was having a problem. He had to reduce the price to those 2 Crests for me, but making him reduce the price made the digital coupons not come off. So he ended up just printing me a $10 extra care buck. Now that is with more stuff that's even more complicated. So I will get to that all at the very end. But I had 2 $3 off CRTs, and then I had a $2 off printable coupon from coupons.com for the Garnier. This was actually on sale for $7, and I used those 2 $3 off CRTs and the $2 off coupon. This came out to be a $1 moneymaker. Got that for free. Okay, I ended up getting the Pantene. Now the Pantene were 3 for $15. I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and I had a 4 off of 12 styler or conditioner CRT. That's weird how they have them like that. But you would pay $6 for the 3 of these. You get that $5 extra care buck back, making these each, or make them all for $1 or 33 cents each. And I'm actually really liking the new bottles, how they have like that little squeeze top on it. So I ended up getting that. Okay, now this is like something was just not going on. My extra care bucks were not working, and they were brand new because they just printed from my previous receipt because I was rolling them. And he ended up having to take stuff off the transaction, so stuff just got messed up. But it ended up turning out to be okay anyways. So I got 3 of the Nexus masks. These were $5.29. there's a deal where if you buy 3 of them, you get a $10 extra care buck. So I ended up doing it that way. And then I also got the Suave shampoo and conditioner. These were 3 for $9, and I used 2 of the $1 off Unilever coupons that we get. And then you got a $7 extra care buck with that. So that would have been free anyways. And then I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7. There's a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And then you get, you pay $5. No, you pay $4. Why am I not thinking? But then you get $2 back of an extra care buck. Then you get $2. These come out to be $2 bucks. But I had a 4 off of 25 CRT. So I ended up using the Nexus, the Garnier, and then the Suave. It came out to be $22.87 after coupons and everything. But then you get the $10 for the Nexus, you get the $9 or the $7 for the Suave, and you get the $2 for the Garnier. So my grand total for all I got 8 bottles. 8 bottles of shampoo and conditioner was $3.87 or 48 cents each. And I'm like, I will take it. So I was pretty happy with that. So stuff was just getting messed up. It wasn't even me holding up the lines. Like, people did show up, but everybody was totally cool. But just stuff was just not coming off. Stuff was not working. He had to like keep, sometimes they have to like scan an item for a CRT to come off, and then they take that item off. It's kind of crazy. But it just was not working out. So he ended up printing out a $10 extra care buck for me because of those coupons that were not coming off. The $3 off coupons, and then the $2 off Edge CRT that was not working. And then he's just like, here. And then he forgot to scan one of my CRTs that I gave him. So he's like, here, just give it this. So I'm going to tell you guys this. My total was a lot. It was $38.05. But I only had $12 to begin with of extra care bucks. So I've been losing money like crazy. So I was okay to pay a little bit out of pocket. I made sure I used my gift cards. Make sure if you guys have not used Flues, you are using Flues. I have the referral link below, but you guys can get up to 35% cash back, or 35% back when you guys use the website or use the app. CVS, you can get up back to 35% up to $10. That's $3.50 that you get back anyways. So if you guys are not using it, definitely join. You get 3 vouchers for that. But yeah, $38.05 is what I paid, but I did not pay out of my own actual pocket. I just used gift cards. But I did end up I cannot speak today. I ended up using $48 worth of extra care bucks because I kept rolling them in the system. And 2 of them I did not even pay with extra care bucks because it was just not worrying. But between rolling them and all that stuff, I ended up getting $80 back. $80 total of the extra care bucks that I did receive. So I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, it's crazy. But with Ibotta, I received $4.25 back for the 4 items that I got. But then I did receive the Weekend Warrior, which is $5 I got back for that. So I ended up saving $192.57. $192.57, you know, out of all that. And then I ended up having to pay 38 bucks. I think that's a pretty good deal, but I did receive, in all together, I did receive 80, but I did roll them. My grand total came to be a $3.20 moneymaker. I ended up getting 33 items, all for free, and I made a profit. I am pretty excited with that. I did spend a long time at the registers. They were kind of a pain in the butt, but you know, I work retail, or I used to work retail. The cashier, you know, I made him not freak out or worry or relax. You know, I'm just like, you do your own thing. I apologized to him, even though he and I both knew it was the system's fault, but you know, I'm just super nice. I'm like, you know, I'm sorry that all this. He's like, no, don't worry, because he kind of likes it that he doesn't have to sit there and put tags up. But you know, I'm just a person where I care about others. I put others first when it comes to stuff like that. But anyways, don't forget to give this video, oh my god, my cat. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys all later. See ya, bye-bye.